Anna, let's go and check out what kids are doing. Oh dear, look at the room. It's so messy. How many times I have to clean this room? Where are these girls? I know, Elsa. This room looks so messy. I don't understand what these girls do the entire day. It's their vacation time. Whole day these girls have to play. Yes, Anna. The entire day these girls will wear new clothes, do some makeup and throw these new clothes on the floor. I mean, seriously? I don't know what to do with these girls. Elsa, let's make these girls only to clean their room. They should know that they should be disciplined enough. You go and check in the drawing room if they're watching TV. I'll go and check with their friends if they're playing. Little Elsa, did you watch that cartoon? It's amazing. No, little Aurora, I haven't watched that cartoon. I wanted to watch it long back, but then my exams were there. Let me first change the channel. Here you two are. Come with me right now into your room. Entire day you guys want to watch TV. Little Elsa, little Aurora, look at your room. It's so messy. I'm just tired of cleaning your room again and again. The clothes are on the floor. The plants are not watered. Your room is so dirty and dusty. At least clean your room. It's a vacation time. Whole day you guys want to play or watch TV. I'm just tired. You should also clean your room now. We're really sorry, Elsa. I agree with you. We should keep our room clean. We'll do one thing. We'll first clean our room and then we'll play and watch TV. Little Elsa, let's divide our task and clean our room quickly so that we can watch our favorite cartoon. You clean that side, I will clean this side and water the plants, and the remaining dusting and deep cleaning can be done by a magical broom and vacuum cleaner. Oh, magical broom, please help us in dusting. Vacuum cleaner, please come here and help us in deep cleaning. Little Aurora, let us also start cleaning. You do the watering of the plants and let me do the dusting. Let me first clean the mirror. Now let me clean the TV. Now let me water the plants. Let me clean the bookshelf. And now let me clean the cupboard. Bit of dusting on the bed and I'm done with cleaning. Little Elsa, and last but not the least, we have to keep our clothes tidily on the hanger. And look at it, here comes our hanger stand. Now let us keep our clothes properly on this hanger stand. Yippee! We are done cleaning. Now let me go and call Elsa. She'll be very happy looking at the room. I'm sure about it. Elsa, see, we have cleaned our room. We have kept our clothes also properly, and we have watered the plants. Wow, little Elsa and Aurora, it's superb. Your room is looking amazingly clean. I'm so proud of you. And sorry I shouted at you. Well done, girls.